Many of us have heard about the Martha's Vineyard situation, and quite frankly, I'm really stunned because we have a governor who ignored federal immigration law. First of all of these Venezuelans who were sent to Martha's Vineyards were here lawfully. They had a credible fear hearing before the Immigration and Naturalization Service, also now known all these years as USCIS. They were found to have a credible fear, which means they're entitled to an asylum hearing. And then, of course, they have to be in front of an immigration judge facing deportation when they go through it. Now, when you call people who are here lawfully illegal, you have a problem because you're ignoring the law, and there's no excuse for ignoring the law, especially when you're a governor of the state of Florida. Of course, it's not state Florida law, but when you're using money from the state tax rolls to commit offenses under federal law by enticing people with lies about federal law, about how people can get expedited employment authorization cards, then it's ridiculous. You can't get an employment authorization card until you've filed an I-589 asylum application, have it accepted by the USCIS, and then afterwards formally filed with the immigration courts. And that can take a while. Once you do that, the clock begins to start, and you got to wait 180 days just to file a form for employment authorization. That form is called an I-765 form, and you got to prove that you filed that asylum case. So there are no expedited employment authorizations. In fact, some people have had their asylum cases before they even get their employment authorizations. Again, the challenge is that when you promise something to someone that is a lie to entice them on an airplane to go someplace where they really don't want to be, you're doing the same thing that smugglers do when they promise people at the Mexican border that they're going to get all sorts of wonderful goodies if they pay them money to get them in illegally. Again, we need to think about this as a nation. If we have asylum laws, we're obligated to honor and respect them and allow people to prove that they have a well-founded fear of persecution on account of race, religion, particular social group, politics. That's the law, and we got to pay attention to it.